على كل لطمة كل صرخة كل دمعة أظل ممنونك، على كل مجلس تلقاني بينعي أظل ممنونك، على توفيقي بآهاتي ويا البضعة أظل ممنونك، على رزق دموعي تجري بكل جمعة أظل ممنونك، صاحب فضلتنك وترويني من حزنك يا أبو علي.
I was feeling a bit nervous at first, but then I'm like, all the Ahlul Bayt would like if I did this, so, and I knew I would get a lot of thawab for it, so that's why I wanted to do it.
وتوفيقي للخدمة مو بس حكي لو بالبكي عيني إلك تعمى، شكرا على النعمة على الخدمة.
I chose أظل ممنونك because I knew the words were a bit emotional and I wanted to give a new mullah a new try so that I'm familiar with all the mullahs, not just one.
أنا شما عندي قدمت لعيونك أظل ممنونك، وعلى إدراك لسواني مجنونك أظل ممنونك، لأرجع عني يا الغالي ممنونك أظل ممنونك، شهراني لك أخدم بدموعي متحزن ما مقتنع وفى الدمع خلاني متألم، شكرا على النعمة على الخدمة إلك طول العمر خادم وأظل ممنونك. صلوات على محمد وآل محمد.
Actually made Sayyid Ammar cry. You know that? Ahsan Sayyidina. Barakallah bik. Ahsan. Come next to this, Ismail. Sayyid Ammar, I'd love to go to you first.
The words.
The words are powerful, Sayyid.
The words are powerful. I think, you know, you made sure that reached.
I'll give you a moment, Sayyidina. Mullah, can we get your feedback, please?
Bravo, Muhammad Jawad. It's very nice and very, I can say, very powerful beginning. You are still very young. You are youngest reciter in this stage so far. Even from last episode, I think you are youngest. And you moved us, yeah? You need more practice, especially on rhythm. You have something spiritual in your voice and in your character, I can say. Bravo.
Shukran.
Sayyid Jalal.
Muhammad Jawad, I think from yesterday till today, I have seen a person who is reciting from his heart. You were reciting from your heart, and it takes all of us. The first thing you did, the deep breath you did at the beginning, that's very beneficial for you, for your recitation. Thank you very much. Inshallah, now you're 10 years old, and definitely you are the second Nazar Qatari, you are the second Mullah Basim Karbala'i.
Inshallah.
Sallu ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Sayyid Jalal, why second? Why you don't say first?
At the moment you
Maybe
are
first?
wudu, at the moment you are wudu, Maulana, and Muhammad Jawad is tayammum at the moment.
No, inshallah first, inshallah. Barakallah.
Sayyid Mason.
That's right. Maybe he's the first Muhammad Jawad. I really felt the authenticity in your voice. I felt the pain. I would get attached to somebody who's already in the field. You have access to all four of us. Maybe not me, but them. I'm sure you have a bright future, and I see a shining star in front of me. MashaAllah.
Ahsan, Sayyid Mason. Sayyid Ammar, would love to get your thoughts, please.
Yeah, sorry about earlier. You know, it happens, and especially when there's two factors to what happened, really. The first is, you know, to understand the meaning of those words that you said. You know, thank you should be the first thing which anyone says when they come near the shrine of Imam al-Hussein alayhi salam. People go to the shrine and begin to ask for things. But at the beginning, a person should thank God and thank Imam al-Hussein for what happened on the 10th of Muharram and how it affected our lives today. And you hear some of the lines you mentioned, and I like the fact that you felt those lines. Because we felt those lines. You know, there are many who could recite, but it doesn't touch your heart. But you touch my heart. And the second factor is that on the 10th of Muharram, it wasn't just a 57-year-old, and nor was it just someone in their 30s, but there were people your age as well. And that's why when I see someone your age reciting, then I think of those who were your age on the plains of Karbala, who were proud to say, Hussein is my Amir, who were proud to say, how could you do this to my uncle? And so you continue that line. Further than that, I have to applaud you, aside from the emotional aspect, applaud you for your memory. It's very brave of you to come forward and recite without a piece of paper. It could easily go wrong, and you continued. And you were looking for the crowd support. I do think the crowd, you know, also could have worked on their support a bit more. But even we got confused. I think Maytham got confused. Is this qasida or a latmiya? Because I think both can work, actually, ironically. Because, you know, we can thank Allah for Imam al-Hussein alayhi salam on a very happy occasion. Exactly. So you done really well. And as long as your heart is pure, then that's 50–60% of the way. And then after that, you got mentors like these. I'm sure you could go far as well. Well done, well done.
Any last words for the judges?
Something that you didn't mention is who is my favorite mullah, and that would be Ali Fadil, because
I would say get attached to him right away.
Thank you, thank you very much. Thank you. Please, can I get a loud salawat for Sayyid Muhammad Jawad Mashkoor, please. Sallu ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Thank you very much, sir.